Hello people, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Ariel and now we will study the second part of how to conjugate verbs in simple present tense. Let's get started. Okay guys, the final conjugation, and I know that is really hard, or I think so. So please try to make an extra effort in order to understand, watch the video more than once, step by step, and you will be able to handle as I said at the beginning. Okay, so okay, we have the final sound or the ending sound IR, or the sound IR, okay, in Spanish, ir, vivir, to live, vivir in Spanish. And now we have all the conjugation in English, and now we will conjugate in Spanish. So obviously none of them are conjugated, but we will conjugate them. Okay, so as always, we need to remove the two last letters. In this case are the letter I and the letter R. Okay, as I said, you need to remove the letter IR and add the letter O. Yo vivo. It's not yo vivir. Not. It's not like this. Okay, yo vivo. You remove the letter IR and add the letter O. So as I said, this one is different from the others. Okay. Okay guys, now the second one. So this one, as I said, is more difficult than the other. So far everything is okay, you know, related to the rules, but in this case the second one changed a little bit. Okay, a little bit. Okay, you live is not like you need to remove this one and add the letter S. So we need to remove both of them, the two last letters, and add ES, like this. Okay guys, you see, you live, tú vives. I needed to remove the two last letters and add ES. Okay, and in our previous one was just delete the last letter, you know, R, and add S. So in this case are both of them. Okay, and add another thing. Okay, tú vives, ES, ES, tú vives, ES. So and in this case it's the same, but you know that this is the normal one, you eat, this is the informal one. So vos vives. We need to remove both of them, the last ones, and add ES. Okay, you see, once again, you eat, vos vives. Tú vives, vos vives. It's the same one, okay? Okay, you live, usted vive. Usted vive. Remove the two last letters and add just one letter, okay, which is the same conjugation for the three for the three next ones. Okay, so we need to remove, as you see, you live, usted, you know, for the formal situations, usted vive. Okay, as I said, it's the same conjugation for the next ones. He lives, él vive. Okay, as you see, so this is, remember guys, for the second person in singular. You know, you live, tú vives, you live, vos vives for informal ones. You live, usted vive for formal ones, okay, formal situation. He lives, él vive. Él vive. So as I said, the conjugation for the second person in singular for formal situation is the same conjugation for the third person in singular, okay? He lives, él vive, she lives, ella vive, it lives, ello vive. Now, with we live. We live, nosotros vivimos. Okay? we need to remove the letter R and add, as always, MOS. As you see, we live, as always, nosotros vivimos. Nosotros vivimos. I just needed to remove the letter R, the letter R, the last one, and add mos, okay, mos, or MOS, MOS. Nosotros vivimos, nosotros vivimos. You live, ustedes viven, ustedes viven. So I need to remove the two last one and add EN. As you see, guys, you live, ustedes viven. You need to remove the letter IR, both of them, and add EN. And the last one is the same as always. If you notice, the two last one in this case for the second person in plural is the same conjugation for the third person in plural. Okay, ellos, ellos. They live, ellos viven. Now in Spanish, okay, I will pronounce for you. Yo vivo, tú vives, vos vives, usted vive. For formal situation, remember, guys, he lives, él vive, ella vive, ello vive, it live, ello vive, we live, nosotros vivimos, you live, ustedes viven, they live, ellos viven. Okay, so I will show you more example for you to get more familiar with those ones. And guys, now we will take a quiz, but first I would like to show you certain pattern that you need to follow in order not to make mistakes. And this is another way to understand, so I will show you that because you need to get a better comprehension about it, I think. And then, so this is a really easy one in order to understand. So the only thing that you need to do is follow the pattern step by step for regular verbs and for the different ending sounds. Okay, remember the ending sounds are AR, ER, and the last one IR. So in Spanish, ar, ir. Okay, so as you see here, guys, the first line is for the ending AR, for the second one ER, and the last one IR. So, and in this part, guys, you can see the different personal pronouns. Okay, I, yo, you, vos, or tú, you, usted for formal situation, he, she, it, we, you guys, and they. Okay, so for the first person in singular, so remember that you need to remove the entire ending R. Okay, the entire ending R, and add for the first person in singular O, for the second as, and so on. Okay, this is the pattern that you need to follow. Okay, and those are all of the subject pronouns, and the same thing for the second one and for the last one. Okay, and that's it. Okay, now the quiz, and you can confirm if you want, and you will notice that this is the pattern that you need to follow. Okay, so now the first one. So it's okay if you don't see me, guys. The important thing is to see all the examples. Okay, first one is with the verb to study, the second one to run, and the third one to write. Okay, so and all of them are only in Spanish because you already know all the conjugation in English, and I decided just to write in Spanish. So okay, the first one is I study. Okay, I study in Spanish. So in Spanish is estudiar. Estudiar. This is in infinitive form. Okay, but I need to remove the ending AR and add the letter O. You see, guys? Okay, so and this is what what I will do. Okay, now is yo estudio. Yo estudio. Now with the second one. Okay, tú or vos. Okay, you, vos, or tú and vos. So remove AR and add AS. So you see, guys, really easy, and so on with the other ones. Okay, guys. Okay, so you can confirm, guys. So, and in fact, for the third person in singular, he, she, and it is the same. In fact, for the second, for formal situation, that's why I decided just to write one of them. Okay, so now nosotros, no, we, nosotros, and add amos. Okay, so amos. Nosotros estudiamos. Ustedes, so you see here, okay, so A and N. Ustedes estudian and ellos estudian, the last one. Okay, super easy, guys, and you already know how to conjugate all of them. Okay, now with the second one, to run with the ending with the ending ER. Okay, to run in Spanish, okay, the infinitive form is correr, like this, okay, correr. So, okay, yo, correr, not at all, okay, yo, okay, remove ER and add O, as always. As you see, for the three ending sound, you need to remove the entire ending and add all the time the letter O, okay, so, and add O, and now is yo corro. For the second one, you see, okay, tú corres, or vos corres, usted corre, you run, usted corre, él corre, he runs, él corre, okay. So, and as I said, you know, it's the same thing for she and it, and then only one, okay? So remember, usted is for formal situation, for you to speak with your parents or maybe grandfathers and so on, teachers in Spanish, okay? Sound more polite. Nosotros, so we, nosotros, okay? The second one, hemos, nosotros corremos. Nosotros corremos. Ustedes corren. You guys run, corren. Okay? EN. Ustedes corren. And the last one, they, ellos, EN, ellos corren. Super easy, guys, ok. Yo corro, tú corres, vos corres, usted corre, él corre, nosotros corremos, ustedes corren, ellos corren. Now, yo estudio, tú estudias, vos estudias, usted estudia, él estudia, nosotros estudiamos, ustedes estudian, ellos estudian. Now, the last one, guys, okay, to write. Okay, so you see, okay, yo, so in Spanish is escribir. This is the infinitive form, okay, escribir. That's why you can hear the ending sound ir, escribir. Okay, yo, as always, just add the letter O. Okay, yo escribo, tú escribes, okay. Usted escribe for formal ones. Remember the same conjugation for the third person in singular. Usted escribe, él escribe, he writes, or she writes, or even it writes. Escribe. Él escribe. Nosotros, what? Nosotros escribimos. Nosotros escribimos. Ustedes escriben. EN, ustedes escriben. They write. Ellos escriben. en as well, okay, as the other one, you guys, okay, the same conjugation. So okay guys, now as you see, the only thing that you need to do is follow step by step this parent for regular verbs in Spanish, for simple present tense. That's what I mean, guys. And now remember to subscribe to my channel, comment if you have any question, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one.